Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a wireless controller from Cosmic Byte. The model number is Cosmic Byte ARES. I bought this from Amazon for about 1600 Indian rupees. I have put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. So here is the box itself. On top right here we have the Cosmic Byte branding, and here is the model number, which is ARES wireless controller, and it is compatible with Windows PC. And here is some specification. For example, it contains 700 mAh battery, backlit action buttons, turbo functions for Windows games, X input and D input, 1 meter charging cable, vibration effect up to 8 meters wireless range. On side we have the Cosmic Byte branding, ARES model name, and this side we have some of the QR code for Cosmic Byte social pages, and on the back we have some of the details feature of the product. So inside the box we first get a user manual, a small piece of paper rather than a booklet. A charging cable, as well as a OTG connector. I don't know what this OTG connector is provided for, but a good thing about this controller that it is USB-C. It has USB-C charging port, so it will fast charge, I think. Here is the dongle through which this controller will connect with the PC, and finally the controller itself. Wow, it's feel really nice in the hand. It's really small, compact, just like the Xbox controller, I must say. So we just have to press here to turn it on, and you can see the beauty of this wireless controller. Well, the body is fully plastic body with a matte finish, and this too has the rubberized texture on top of it. On back we have Cosmic Byte logo with the model number, and here we have the charging port, which is a USB-C charging port. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.